Hello and welcome to our video on incorporating technology in the classroom. As teachers, we know that technology has the power to transform the way we teach and the way our students learn. It can provide new opportunities for collaboration, creativity, and critical thinking, and it can help us reach and engage all of our students in meaningful ways. But we also know that incorporating technology into the classroom isn't always easy. It requires careful planning, attention to best practices, and a willingness to adapt and learn. So in this video, we'll discuss some key considerations for incorporating technology in the classroom, as well as some strategies and resources that can help you get started. First, let's talk about the why. Why is it important to incorporate technology in the classroom? Well, for one, technology can help us personalize learning for our students. By using tools like learning management systems, we can create customized learning pathways and provide individualized feedback to our students. Technology can also help us facilitate collaboration and communication between students and teachers. With tools like video conferencing and online collaboration platforms, we can create virtual learning environments where students can work together in real time, even if they're not physically in the same place. And technology can also help us create more engaging and interactive lessons. By using tools like multimedia presentations, simulations, and virtual reality experiences, we can bring new perspectives and experiences into the classroom in ways that are simply not possible without technology. So those are just a few of the reasons why incorporating technology in the classroom is important. But how do we actually do it? Well, the first step is to have a clear vision for how technology will be used in your classroom. This will help you focus on specific goals and objectives, and it will also help you choose the right tools and resources. Next, it's important to consider the needs and abilities of your students. Some students may have more experience with technology than others, so it's important to consider different learning styles and levels of proficiency when incorporating technology into your lessons. It's also important to consider the logistics of using technology in your classroom. Do you have the necessary equipment and internet access? Do you have a plan in place for managing and troubleshooting technical issues? Finally, it's important to stay current on best practices and new developments in educational technology. There are many resources available for teachers, including professional development opportunities and online communities where you can connect with other educators who are also incorporating technology in their classrooms. So those are just a few key considerations for incorporating technology in the classroom. We hope this video has given you some ideas and inspiration for bringing technology into your own teaching practice. Thanks for watching, and happy teaching! Like, share and subscribe to our channel.